our diagnosis is an acute infectious diarrhea, probably secondary to a viral infection with mild dehydration that had already been resolved. So presently, the President is comfortable. She's tolerating her food. She has no problem at all. And from the gastroenterology standpoint, she can be discharged anytime. However, with the request of the family, she will stay a little longer in the hospital for her to have ample rest.
Pero kung makikita mo yung ano ng ating mahal na Panginoon, talagang okay siya, no? Masaya. At,
nung kausap niyo, nakaupo ba siya o nakatayo?
nakaupo siya, nandun sa room niya, at wala, maano mo doon is walang dextrose.
Wala ng dextrose?
Hindi, walang dextrose.
Ito, blast. Yung iba encounter. Ito, harassment, no? Inambush kayo. Ito, ang harassment. Ito, isyong kayo sana sa tulunan, tapos noon, bali, inambush ka ng, ano ma'am, ng nagkakater ka. At saka siya, spinal cord. I see. So, magte-therapy ngayon.